Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Miami Automobile Technical Services. Okay, this is the 2023 Range Rover. So this is the last video on the side step. We finished mounting everything. So guys, you can see how the step is working. So this is the side step. So we just finished installing the side step, so everything is working perfectly. So let's go to the other side. So guys, you can see it. So guys, the side step is working perfectly. So guys, if you have any of your 2023 Range Rover that you want to fix side step, you can call us at Miami Automobile. We have our Facebook. Then you can also contact me through my YouTube channel. So this is Miami Automobile. So if this is your first time watching my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like my video, share my video, and then thanks for watching.